everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am about to go into Target. Want to go with me to see what I get? I'll show you around the dollar area because it's one of my favorite areas. So let's go. So their kid stuff here at my Target is strong. So let me show you some really neat things. Oh, I love this. As a teacher, this is a fun thing. And Ezra is loving these. Do you love those? How much is it on the bottom?
$3.
$3? That's not bad. Let's see what else. Some pencils, back to school. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh, this is super cute.
I'm going to color.
Oh, I love that. $3. Those are cute. Those are piggy banks.
Oh, yeah.
So these end caps, they are like loaded with stuff for the kids. That's how they get you here, really, right? Okay, so these containers are $3, and those are really good sized. I love the little leather strap on the end. Lots of little doodads here, right? And then we start getting into some cutesy stuff, like looks like vintage ice cream shop. That's a cute Bluetooth speaker. Look at that. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Remember marbles?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
What is this? It says, oh, it's for stickers. You can put that on.
Oh, stickers?
Stickers. It has like fun little, like electronic little doodads here. Sometimes I get these for my kids because then I know I didn't spend a ton of money on them, but this is really good to have like extra ports. I love it. And look at these. I've been seeing these around. I might even get one. They're also $3. They're good for separating like cards, or you could do like hair accessories, and then you could put them in a container, and I'll show you that container in a minute. But look at this. Oh, I love all this organization stuff. Oh, here's some more of this. Remember I got this one for you, Ezzy?
Remember I got.
But they have them in different colors.
Remember I found this, but.
It's got a magnet on the back, so you could put stuff in it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
had to show this pillow. Hi.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so remember when we went to California, I got some of these. I love these, and they're now in my Target, which is great. And then it's also, I believe they're $3. Yes. Isn't that great? And then there's these the plants as well. And look how cute these tea towels are. They have cute little designs on them. And here's some more towels, tea towels. Farm to fork. Yes, how cute is that? I love it. And then here's some like bags. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Ain't that the truth? A lot of kid storage stuff here. Bright colors. So these are what I was talking about. Hold that like that, Ezzy, for me. And then these little things can go and fit right inside it.
Wait,
So you can put lots of like cards or like card games in there and have them all organized.
What are these?
Storage containers. Okay, here's some really cute, like small versions of these, like little containers. So cute. Perfect for like cabinets or inside drawers. They're very small, so if we're gonna compare my hand, right? It's kind of like hand size. And then in my classroom, I got these last year. They were clear, and they are so durable. So you can stack them on top of each other. These would be great for cosmetics, and these are only $3. But you can stack them on top of each other, and if they fall, which they have in my classroom a lot, they're so durable. Okay, so I just saw this shower wrap. Now you guys, it's so soft. It's kind of like microfiber, and I've been seeing on Instagram that you could cut these into squares and use them to take off your makeup. Let me know in the comments if you use like these magic type towels or like a microfiber towel to wash off your makeup. This being $7, you can get a lot of little rags out of it. So let me know. Look at all this new back to school stuff. So if you're a teacher or you're just wanting to decorate a homeschool room, these are really cute. Look
It's
at
like a table.
it is a table. So you can put that over your lap and put like your crayons and your scissors and glue sticks on one side and paper on the other. That's pretty cool, huh? And so if you're meeting your teacher, I mean, they have cute little gifts like you could take to give to your teacher. I mean, that is so cute for like,
They have an apple.
yeah, and you can put pens in there. That's a nice little gift to give. And oh my gosh, how cute is that succulent? That is adorable. So you can do a little, if you're wanting to like, you know, impress. You don't have to, but I mean, I think some of these cutesy things would be adorable in a classroom. That is so cool.
You can hang it up
Yeah, that's
like
nice.
it's the real earth.
And then there's these are so cute too. These chalkboard easels.
They're little.
And they're all such a good price. Ooh, I need these. Cool. Oh my gosh, there's like all these little stamps and stuff and stamp collections. Oh my Lanta, I am so getting this. I need these in my classroom, right? We need some new ones. I love it. How adorable these are, these little lamps. You can put them next to the boys' bed. Lots of fun stuff here. Such cute stuff in that dollar area. And I'll show you what I end up buying. My boys really, really like this area, huh guys? It's kind of like all the pop culture, like what's out right now, like Stranger Things, and you know, here's some Game of Thrones dolls, and of course Fortnite, Captain Marvel. Oh my gosh, you guys remember that movie Caddyshack? That's hilarious. And then they have like some demented stuff. Of course, that's probably why my kids like it. My son just pointed out this SpongeBob. That's what he's getting for his birthday, and I'm going to put it right next to his pillow. He's like, yeah. But like this is all Game of Thrones. Oh my gosh. Is that considered vintage? 90 games, 90s game, Dungeon and okay, so my kids also have some of these kind of. Anybody like Stranger Things out there? Target's your place. Look at all that fun stuff. Oh my gosh. The lunch boxes. That is hilarious. And then some like those fun Pez dispensers. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody that's kind of hard to find or to buy for, maybe you can find out what their favorite show is. And I bet Target probably has some funky little, fun little toy to. How much do I love their Hearth and Home or Hearth and Hand Magnolia. Oh my gosh, I love all of this. Isn't this the best? These are awesome. Good decor stuff. And they look pretty durable for like using. And I love that they come out with new stuff fairly often. I love all of this. It's so pretty. And look, oh, I like that. Maybe I'll get some of those for my classroom. They're napkin holders, by the way. Love that print. So, so nice. And probably so, so expensive. Here's their new stuff. I still love this plant, you guys. Why won't that one go on sale? So we just got home. It's like 100 degrees here, and I'm showing you the sky. Because where we live, nice and sunny and hot and hot and hot. And then look. Do you see that? It's going to rain on our heads pretty quick here. I had to hurry up and get home. That it would be a thundercloud. And it brings like a harsh monsoon. And look, it's like blackish. Oh, look, there's the blue sky. I do love the desert storms. Whew, so with that, all those clouds and stuff, it makes it extra humid here. Ugh, it's not my favorite. The humidity is not my favorite, but I do love the storms. And so right now it's like 100 degrees on the dot. But let me just show you. I got a few things. I only got a couple. Well, a few things. I got one of these for Ezra's science notebook, so he'll need one of these for writing into it and gluing some fun things. And then I got this. So my third son, he used to carry the big ones, the big thick Trapper Keeper with the big Velcro, and it would be on his shoulder. He like busted out the Velcro parts. I had to get another one mid-year. So we thought maybe he should take a backpack. And so this is kind of like that. It's got a little zipper and it's got the stuff for all of his classes in there. So we'll see how this works. If not, I kept the receipt because ideally what I would love is if it was like this. And the ones that I found that were up and open up like this only had 3 tabs in it, and I need something with more than that. So for now, I think, I'm not sure if I'll keep it. I have the receipt, but if I do, it might be kind of good for when we travel and we do homeschooling on the road. So I'll think about that. I also got just some e.l.f. I needed some more eyeshadow. I stopped using the one that was like the icy one that I had a few of you comment on and really like. It was just really bright on my eyes, and so I didn't mind wearing it for like the year I wore it. But it's for fun, and I'll use it more for evening wear. But this is more subtle, and I close to the color that's already on there, and I was running low. And then from the dollar area, I did get those punching, what do they call, paper punches, because on my shelves I have a material where I cut up different squares of different color paper, and the kids can just take these and punch them, and that motion is strengthening their hands for writing. So I can't wait. Our school year is going to be starting in the next couple of weeks, so I'm super excited for my little classroom. Ezra has already started homeschooling, but the bigger boys start school very soon. So thanks so much for going shopping with me. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me, and I'll show you if it starts pouring on us in the next pretty quick here, if we do get those storms. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everybody.